Hello Stampers, and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I am sharing with you another designer series paper reveal from the Stampin' Up! 2020 to 2021 annual catalog. This designer series paper is called In Good Taste. This is one of them that actually has 24 sheets, 2 each of 12 double-sided designs. And I look at this paper and I feel like I'm ready to build a house or redo a kitchen or something like that, because I feel like this is all fabulous tones of wood grain, as well as like plaster and tiling and carpet and like all of that fabulousness. So I'm going to show you the full sheet so you can really see what this looks like on a bigger spectrum rather than that little swatch that's in the catalog, because this paper is absolutely fabulous and will make great projects, whether it's a card or a 3D box or even scrapbooking pages and things too. So I'm going to go through each of these sheets so that you can see the full sheet and what this print actually looks like. Don't forget to pick out your favorite one as I go through, and I'll let you know which one my favorite is at the end. Okay, so did you pick out your favorite paper from the In Good Taste designer series paper pack? My favorite one is this one here. I love a good like damask pattern. I actually had that theme with my wedding, and we recently did our bathroom floors in black and white with a similar pattern to this. So I'm super loving this one, but I also love the little pearl look of this one here. So those are my two favorites. I hope you guys enjoy this paper. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, and don't forget to check out laurasStampPad.com for lots of great paper crafting inspiration. Happy stamping, everyone. Bye-bye.